Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to send money to Nigeria using Monzo. I know this is a question that a lot of you have been asking, and I'm happy to say that I can finally give you a definitive answer. So, let's get started. What is Monzo? Before we get into the details of how to send money to Nigeria using Monzo, let's take a quick look at what Monzo is. Monzo is a mobile-only bank that offers a variety of banking services, including current accounts, debit cards, and overdrafts. It's a great option for people who are looking for a simple and affordable way to manage their finances. How to send money to Nigeria using Monzo. Now that we know what Monzo is, let's get into the details of how to send money to Nigeria using it. There are two ways to send money to Nigeria using Monzo. Using the Monzo app. Using the Monzo website. Using the Monzo app. Open the Monzo app on your phone. Tap on the Send Money tab. Enter the recipient's name, phone number, and email address. Select the currency you want to send. Enter the amount you want to send. Tap on the Send button. Confirm the transaction. Using the Monzo website. Go to the Monzo website. Log into your account. Click on the Send Money tab. Enter the recipient's name, phone number, and email address. Select the currency you want to send. Enter the amount you want to send. Click on the Send button. Confirm the transaction. Fees. When you send money to Nigeria using Monzo, there are two fees that you will need to pay. A transfer fee. An exchange rate fee. The transfer fee is a fixed fee that is charged by Monzo. The exchange rate fee is a variable fee that is based on the current exchange rate between the pound and the naira. You can find more information about the fees associated with sending money to Nigeria using Monzo on the Monzo website. Other things to keep in mind. It can take up to 24 hours for your money to arrive in Nigeria. You will need to provide the recipient with their bank name and account number. You may need to provide additional information, such as the recipient's date of birth or passport number. Sending money to Nigeria using Monzo is a simple and affordable process. If you're looking for a way to send money to Nigeria, I highly recommend using Monzo. I hope this video has helped you learn how to send money to Nigeria using Monzo. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for a simple and affordable way to send money to Nigeria, I encourage you to give Monzo a try. You won't be disappointed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.